Hammertown today. I don't even know what day it is anymore, but it's the day before the big race, and we're going to check out a bunch of the 4400 cars. Can you even hear me? They're kind of loud. Love the channel, man.
Thank you, man.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm pumped, man. I can't wait.
Going up there, fellas.
Not very well.
Tightening it up. That's racing.
There's been quite a bit of that's racing going on. Crazy. This your car? Yeah. This thing's gorgeous. Thank you. I'm John. Nice to meet you. So that's my other car. Yep, solid axle car. Yep. So a buddy of mine's driving that this year. Yep. I'm driving this now.
Dude, the whole IFS versus solid axle, you know the answer.
Yes. This one's way lower, more stable, and faster in the desert. And then once I figure out how to drive it, it'll be faster on the rocks. That car's just a rock car. You must be doing something right if you got two cars on your team. My wife is very good to me.
No kidding.
Finish or? Oh yeah, we finished backwards.
That's right. That's right. I remember that.
Had to come check this thing out.
Thank you.
Such an awesome design.
We appreciate it.
Love the bodywork. You're the driver?
Yes.
What inspired you to make it look like a 911?
I have always loved 911s.
Really?
But I've never sat in one or drove one. So I did the best I could.
Yeah. This looks like a way more fun alternative than a 911.
It is way more fun, yeah.
I see you're running ORIs all the way around.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, from up in Ontario, Canada, and a lot of us run ORIs trucks.
Yep.
Yeah, they work good.
We've got them on point. They are on point.
Awesome. Oh, this is great.
We just hope the rest of the car holds together.
Yeah.
We've already rebuilt the transmission out here.
This is the first year. I've done it 8 years. We finished once.
Wow.
I've done 8 years so far. So this is our 8th year. What's the secret? Slow down.
Yeah. You're driving?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome.
Don't try to win it in the first lap. The rocks are where it's won and made.
Yeah.
First lap will just it loosens everything up. Just if you try to go too fast, you get vibrations in the drive line. You try to push through it. And like I said, one of our guys right now is it's been 7 years since he ran it. His diff came loose, pumped all the fluid out.
Really?
So they're trying to tighten it back up, fill it back up.
This thing stands out from everything else that's out here, and it's awesome.
Thank you.
I've seen you guys during qualifying.
Yeah, we broke a shaft.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, that's why we couldn't make it. And then we tried to winch to still make it, but I couldn't make it.
You timed out, right? Everybody loves this thing. Just love the bodywork. Obviously, it's a full-on race car underneath, but
yeah.
Car's looking sharp.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good time out here.
Having a great time.
How can you not have a good time out here?
The off-road mecca.
Well, we were at Backdoor last night, and yeah, that's like some Mad Max stuff.
Burning Man rave type thing.
They had that Big Willie Jeep,
Yeah.
and he's got 2 whips with flamethrowers. He was there pumping music, and people are going crazy. You can only go over everything
Get
so
as
much.
ready as you can, but there's always something you wish you could have done more or better.
Yeah,
But
right on.
it just is what it is.
Way she goes.
There's
Are
always
you the
so much
co-driver
time.
during the race?
No,
okay.
actually, my son is.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Father-son team, yeah.
He,
That's awesome.
He does all the
engine
building of the
programming
truck.
and
Oh, really?
he actually programs for Rufus Racing and Cade Rod and a couple other guys. out there,
Oh,
so.
awesome. How's it going?
Good, how you doing?
Good. I had to come check this thing out.
Oh, thanks, yeah.
It's like a Rat Rod meets a Ultra 4 car.
That's it, yeah.
It's gorgeous.
A little different.
That is a whole lot of cage to fit in a very tight spot.
It's a whole lot of motor, too.
Is there any leg room?
No. A little more. There's a little
One
more.
leg.
Little more on that. I got plenty over here. Amazing how that works, right?
Yeah. What's the body off of?
49.4.
49 F100? Yeah. That's sweet. How are you feeling about the race?
Actually pretty confident. You know, when I did the once after the desert, was definitely feeling a lot better.
Yeah.
It was a little, not nervous, but a little just wanted to be cautious of the desert, you know, not to get lost out there. But ran the loop and feeling a lot better after that.
That's good. That was awesome that you were able to finish.
Yeah.
Stuck in third gear. We were all like,
It was
letting you...
2 gears at once.
Oh, that's what
When
was
I got
going
to the
on.
tranny shop, there was chunks of steel in the bottom of the pan. And it stuck 2 valves open in the valve body. So it applied 2
We were
gears.
wondering what the hell was going on.
Up. He's still working on it. Hopefully he can get this thing free. Lots of smoke and noise. Lots of dirt flying everywhere. The crowd is screaming.
It would have been insane if it would have been an upside down if it had performed the way he was putting the gas to.
I never let off.
He had it right
Yeah.
to the pin.
I absolutely love this thing.
Cool. Awesome. Thank
It's
you.
so sweet.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Big fan of the... I love the tins wrapped around the race car.
Yeah, it's like kind of a new style kind of coming in.
It gives a character.
Yeah.
What year is the body from?
It's an 89.
89, yeah.
2-wheel drive 89. Yeah, it's been cool, man. This was my first rock crawler when I was.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So this thing's been around.
Yeah, it's a second body.
Yep.
There's still 3 feet of frame.
Really?
Yeah.
So this is a true wheel and ring.
Oh yeah. I did Chocolate Thunder for 6 years with leaf springs with this. Before it took me 5 years to build it.
How many years have you raced it?
My first year racing.
First year racing?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
60 front?
60 front, 14 volt rear. It's a rock crawler. Big ass
It
motor.
really is a rock crawler. What's the motor in it?
It's an LS7.
Yeah?
It's a dry sump LS7.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Good morning, YouTube. Today is race day, the big race, Race of Kings. We're going to see off the race cars here in a minute. And then we are going to be spectating as much as we can of John in the pits. I'm going to head to Hammertown shortly, get some shots at the start-finish line.
We got lots of time. Not 4 hours.
How's everyone feeling this morning?
Excellent.
Bill, ready?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Ready?
Fuck yeah.
still. It's about to take off real soon. There's Derek. And the last car from Team Canada right there, JP.
Alright, here we go. We just turned on the Camp Rock Road. We're on our way to Remote Pit 1. Go meet up with the TMR guys. Set up the pits for the 463, 461, 992 car of Derek and Connor. Here we go, Remote Pit 1. We got the A-team, right?
A-team indeed.
All right, we made it to Turkey Claw. So lap 1 is mostly through the desert, and this is the rock section they come through just before finishing lap 1. So we're gonna camp out here, and hopefully all 3 teams make it to Remote Pit 1, and then make it to Turkey Claw here. cars made it through Turkey Claw on lap number 1, so that's great news. We're gonna move to the next spot now. Well, we made it to Jackhammer. Now we're gonna camp out here and wait for the teams to come through. We're here at Jackhammer, and this section here is a bit of a bottleneck, it looks like. Guys winching, guys braking earlier. This is insane. I have to be like a mountain goat to traverse this to get different angles for you guys. What's going on Jackhammer?
Complete cluster effort.
Total traffic jam over here at Jackhammer. I don't know, there's like almost 10 cars down there because the one guy broke a winch cable. It's kind of on the easiest path, so people are trying to go around him. They're getting stuck against him. There's a harder way here, down there. And people are having to winch there, and it's just a total traffic jam. First driver from our team made it to Jackhammer, except there's still a traffic jam. Look at all that. I don't know if you guys can see that. news. Another one of our cars made it to Jackhammer, but we're still in a traffic jam situation here. What's the status here, Cody?
I'm gonna get the drive shaft recovery mission.
Turns out King of the Hammers is hard.
I think somebody said it is hard. Dave Cole said it's tough.
It's pretty hard.
Yeah.
It still sound like working awesome until we got into this traffic jam.
Oh man, this traffic jam was bad.
Like literally, we had no winch, no hang-ups, fucking clean run right up to now.
Yeah, we've been teamed up with them for probably 5 hours. The shit show of coming up through here. It's been good though. I've drank some beers with y'all, and y'all know how to drink. I owed some Canadians some help from last year.
You're gonna put that in your shop somewhere as a memory?
The drive shaft's fucking right over there.
It's so set up, it's so geared for
I guess that's why they use billet ones.
So we just saved the first car off the trail.
Yep, Bill and Glenn had a broken yoke, and I guess they had to swap the drive shaft out too. So that was a Jackhammer. So we hiked down after doing media all day, and then they met Andrew and Cody, and they had parts. And then what did we do after that? We hiked her back up again. So we put in all our steps, and then, oh frig, 500 more. Oh, I'm so tired. So now we're going to rescue Derek's car at Horsepower Hill.
It doesn't look on camera, it doesn't look very big, but we're halfway up Horsepower Hill on foot.
Derek, next time you break your car, break it close to camp.
No.
Really all that matters.
Horsepower Hill. Carnage. Recovery.
I'm just gonna say random single words. Peanut butter. Can you show us what happened?
Yeah, well, it's up around front up here. Going up the sand hill, we just got it up to the top, and then sheared her clean right there.
Ow! Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh man.
Not what we were expecting, but still a good day.
Derek, you now know why they say this is the world's hardest race.
That's the way it goes. It was a great day. It was lots of fun. Sometimes it happens.
Coming back next year?
Yeah, absolutely. We got to come back and conquer this.
I got 10 pounds of sand in my shoes.
I know, me too.
What are you saying?
I didn't expect to be part of the recovery crew of 2 4400 cars at King of the Hammers, but here we are. And it was great.
What time is it?
It's time for
beer time? Cerveza? Por favor?